It's always a good day at the lake, and it's an even better day when you get a new radio from Radioddity. At least new to me. This radio's been around for a while. I wanted to bring it out here to field day and pull it out of the box and see how it does. So today we're going to test the Xiegu G90. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. The operating manual, very important. And it is actually a really nice manual, very detailed. Warranty card. There's a programming cable, the power cable with Anderson power poles, a comms cable, and the microphone. Interesting that it plugs in like that as well. That's kind of nice in case you need to change the cords. Sometimes these cords wear out. So it just snaps in, you're ready to go. Then for the radio itself. Very nice. I'm sure you've seen the Xiegu G90 running around. They're a very popular radio, and for good reason. But they have made updates since 2024. They've added the Anderson power pole instead of the power connector that it had. They listened to the radio community, and that's what they wanted. It's a very universal power plug. So let's get it set up and see how it works. I'm going to be running it off of this generic 20 amp hour battery. It is a LifePo 4, and it is a good battery. If I can keep my alligator clip on there. Now normally I would put ring terminals on the ends of those power cables for that. But what I would do is do a pigtail coming off the battery with Anderson power pole so I could plug it into. But hey, I wanted to bring everything out here and try to do it in the field in the spirit of field day. So, what we'll need is our microphone, the radio, the power. These cables we'll save for later. Our manual so we know what we're doing. Let's see. So now all we need is an antenna. So I brought out the HF-010. It's a great antenna for deployments like this, so let's set it up. This is a great time to have the tripod because I'm on some very hard rocky ground here at the lake. So instead of using the ground stake, we're going to use the tripod with it. So we'll just screw that onto the tripod. Get our extension tubes screwed on. And in the kit comes the tape measure and the instruction manual to preset the antenna. And then I'll just let the G90's auto tuner tune it the rest of the way. So I just need to find the links for 20 meter. The telescopic whip is 228 centimeters. And luckily this tape measure has centimeters. 228. And then we need to set the scale. 20 meter 228. It's going to be, coil scale will be set to 1. So we'll set it to 1. And then we're going to attach the ground coils. finally connect the coax. I have done a full review of the HF-010 on this channel. I'll post that video here. And on 20 meter, it's supposed to be 300 centimeters, which translates to every meter they put a white tag, so we know we need 3 of those for 300 centimeters. I'll get those installed. I'll be right back. We'll just plug that into the back of the radio. The microphone plugs right here in the side. And then we just need to connect the power. So normally I'll take a radio and use it for a week or two before I do a review on it, but this time I wanted to bring it out in the field to see what it's like on field day testing a radio for the first time. So we'll walk through this together for the first time. So we'll hold the power button on. Oh, that's just a touch. And immediately it's got good volume.
Charlie calling CQ Field A. QRZ. CQ Field A.
By pushing in the tuning knob, then I can change to a smaller increment. The band is alive today. Don't know what that's all about, but to turn on the antenna tuner, you just hit the tune button, and it'll automatically tune if your SWR is off. But we've got a good SWR. Now, if we want to change band, the buttons are on the top. We can jump right down to 40 meter. And notice I hadn't adjusted the antenna for 40 meter, but we're still receiving great on it. So the reception's really good on this radio. You could also quickly tune using this knob. So if we adjust that down there, this is a multi-function, so you could adjust your bandwidth as well. So we got a bandwidth of about 2.65. You can change mode with the button on top as well. AM, narrow FM, CW, voice digital, or digital, USB, and LSB. There's an attenuator. If you push the power button, it'll turn the screen off. If you hold it, it'll turn the radio off. So to adjust power, hit the power button and turn your knob up, and you could dial in the amount of power you want to put out. So we could go anywhere from 1 watt all the way up to 20 watt. Turn that down so we could hear. We could also set this SWR threshold, so it will not transmit if the SWR is over 3.0. We'll turn it down to 2.6. The key button's used for settings for CW and QSK. I don't do any of that, but you might find that interesting. And there is a lock button. If we just touch it, it'll change the background display. There's also on the side headphone jack, and if you push the volume button, it'll switch to the headphone jack instead of the speaker. So if you just want to use headphones and not bother the people around you, then you could do that. Push it again, you come back to speaker. Your voice compression's on the CMP button with an indicator on the screen for that. We have noise blocker. We can turn it on, off. We can set the level and the width of the noise blanker. We can set our AGC. Up to this point, I wasn't able to transmit since I was with the Ridge Amateur Radio Club. But now I brought the G90 into the cabin so we could put it on the air and try it out. QSL, QSL.
Alright, I got you that time.
3 Alpha what? Kentucky? Kilo Yankee?
That was 3 Alpha what?
Kentucky.
QSL, QSL, got you, thank you. That was a hard one.
Yeah. Can I be hypercritical?
You can be as critical as you want.
The one thing I don't like is how slow the transfer is from transmit back to receive. Because people will respond and you won't hear the first couple syllables of what they're saying.
Absolutely.
Did you notice that?
I was noticing it seemed like a
It's got
lag.
a long delay from transmit to receive. I wonder if there's something to adjust that.
Got your 1 Alpha Lima Alpha, thank you 7-3. CQ field day from Whiskey 4 Juliet.
Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie.
Romeo to November 0 with it. The Romeo Charlie station.
Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie. That's Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie.
Whiskey 4 Romeo Charlie, copy 1 Alpha South Florida. 1 Alpha South Florida, QSL.
Copy 1 Alpha South Florida. We are
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha South Carolina. 2 Alpha Sierra Charlie.
2 Alpha Sierra Charlie, thank you 7-3.
There is that delay. When I let off the button, he's already talking.
Right, exactly. In contest mode, that's going to kill you.
Oh, yeah.
Ending in Echo Charlie. Yeah, you working at process?
This guy doesn't know it's field day. Let's move on.
No, the 2 Yankee.
No, he asked him. He said, "You working a contest?" And the guy goes, "It's field day."
Jeez.
Still in Whiskey 5, radio.
Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie.
Whiskey 4 Romeo Charlie, 9 Foxtrot, South Texas.
QSL, you're 2A, South Carolina.
Whiskey 5, radio. Yeah, we're at this one that's down at 2010, just for your reference. Good luck.
Whiskey 4 Romeo Charlie.
W4 radio Charlie, please copy 5 Alpha, Northern New Jersey.
Got your 5 Alpha, Northern New Jersey. Copy 2 Alpha, Sierra Charlie, South Carolina.
2 Alpha, South Carolina, good luck.
7-3.
This is Whiskey 2 Lima.
It's almost like it's a time machine.
Because they're replying too fast. Yeah.
Whiskey 2 Lima Victor.
Jersey.
Field day, CQ Field day, Whiskey Charlie 2, Foxtrot Delta, CQ Field day.
Whiskey Charlie 2, Foxtrot Delta. Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie.
Whiskey 4, Romeo, Romeo, Charlie, we copy. We are 3 Alpha, November, November, Juliet.
Got your 3 Alpha, Northern New Jersey. Copy 2 Alpha, South Carolina, Sierra Charlie.
Was that 3 Alpha?
2 Alpha, 1, 2, 2 Alpha.
Copy 2 Alpha, South Carolina. Thanks for the contact.
Thanks, good luck, 7-3.
And I think that pretty much covers the radio. If there's any questions you have about it, ask in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. And I plan to show off more features of this and use it with the GPA 100 amplifier. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. Thank you for watching.